Maximizing cash flow for real estate investors isn't just about collecting rent. It's about understanding the bigger picture. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we focus on turning your properties into high-performing investments. Whether it's staying ahead of maintenance issues, finding quality tenants, or optimizing rental rates, every decision we make is about increasing your bottom line. One of the biggest areas where investors lose money is maintenance. Ignoring small issues can lead to bigger, more expensive problems. We take a proactive approach by scheduling regular inspections and addressing repairs early. This doesn't just save money, it keeps tenants happy and reduces turnover. Happy tenants are more likely to stay longer, meaning fewer vacancies and lower costs for you. Vacancy is one of the most expensive problems any property owner can face. Every day a unit sits empty is lost income. That's why we work fast to market your property, screen tenants, and get leases signed. Our tenant placement process is thorough. We use a combination of background checks, income verification, and rental history to ensure that the people moving into your properties are reliable. And because we manage everything in-house, the process is seamless and efficient. When it comes to rent, setting the right price is key. Price it too high, and your property stays vacant. Price it too low, and you leave money on the table. We use real-time market data to find the sweet spot, competitive enough to attract tenants but high enough to maximize returns. Plus, our online portal makes rent collection a breeze. Tenants have an easy way to pay, and you get your money faster. Tax season can be a headache, especially if you're juggling multiple properties. That's why we provide detailed bookkeeping services. You'll have clear records of income and expenses, making tax prep simple and reducing the chance of costly errors. It's one less thing for you to worry about, and another way we help you keep more of what you earn. Sometimes the best way to maximize cash flow is by improving the property itself. We don't just manage your investment, we help it grow. Our team handles everything from minor upgrades to full-scale renovations. These improvements can boost rental rates and property value, giving you a better return on investment. And because we're local to Kansas City, we know which upgrades will give you the biggest bang for your buck. Now let's talk about something a little different: selling your property. Maybe you're looking to cash out or simplify your portfolio. If that's the case, Alpine Property Management Kansas City can help. We buy houses. Whether your property is in pristine condition or needs a lot of work, we make the process easy. No listings, no showings, no waiting. Just a straightforward offer and a quick close. If you're tired of dealing with a problem property or just ready to move on, we can take it off your hands. Back to cash flow. Managing expenses is just as important as maximizing income. One area where property owners often overspend is on utilities and common area maintenance. We negotiate with service providers to get you the best rates and ensure that common areas are clean, safe, and inviting. Small details like this can make a big difference in tenant satisfaction and retention. We also help you plan for the long term. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Through careful planning and regular updates on your property's performance, we ensure that your investment stays on track. Whether you're building equity, saving for retirement, or creating a passive income stream, we align our strategy with your goals. If you've ever tried to self-manage a property, you know how time-consuming it can be. The late-night calls, the emergency repairs, the constant back and forth with tenants, it's exhausting. By working with Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you free up your time to focus on what matters most to you. We handle the headaches so you don't have to. For investors outside of Kansas City, working with a local property management company is essential. We know the market, the neighborhoods, and the regulations. This local expertise means fewer surprises and better results for you. Whether it's ensuring compliance with city ordinances or navigating the rental market's seasonal shifts, we've got you covered. At the end of the day, our job is to make your life easier and your investments more profitable. From finding great tenants to keeping your properties in top shape, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help you succeed. So if you're ready to take your rental portfolio to the next level, give us a call. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. And if you've got a property you're ready to sell, remember, we buy houses. Let us take care of it for you so you can focus on what's next.